Hi, I'm Lo-Ann Burke with Smithers Oasis and the Idea Channel. One thing I get asked a lot when I'm traveling around is how to work with the wire. What's the easiest way to work with the wire? And I want to show you today a really cool trick with the aluminum wire. Just to get started, I want to give you a few tips for working with the aluminum wire. You want a nice pair of needle nose pliers that have the rounded tip so we're not going to mar the wire. And these needle nose pliers have a nice cutting edge, so there's wire cutters that are inside that. We want the point of control really close to the tip. What I'm going to show you how to do is make one of these nice perfect little coils. So I'm going to take the needle nose pliers really close to the tip. I'm going to be twisting with one hand and pulling the wire with the other. I want to let the wire do part of the work. If I only twist with one hand, I'm going to get some gnarled shapes, and that's not what I want. So for that coil, I'm going to twist with this hand and pull around with this and just create that nice spiral. The aluminum wire is 12 gauge aluminum wire, and it's very pliable, so you can create those nice perfect spirals. What I want to show you is a really cool trick. These perfect circles that are coming down here and how I created those. It's super easy. They look like they're perfectly formed and they would take forever. Not the case. I'm going to start again with that same technique of coiling using my needle nose pliers. I'm going to grab the tip of the aluminum wire. I'm going to twist with this hand, pull the wire around with the other. But this time I'm going to make a really tight spiral. So I'm going to twist that center in. That's how it starts. Then all I'm going to do is continue to coil. So you can see how the spiral is forming, and I'm just keeping that wire nice and tight and continuing to form that spiral. You can make these as large as you want. This piece I'm working with right now is about a 2-yard piece. This is a little bit larger piece right here. Now all I'm going to do is unfold it. This is the part that makes this super, super easy. I'm just going to unfold it. So every other coil or so, I'm going to unfold it. I'm just going to continue unfolding every other coil till I get to the end. That's how all those circles are nice and even and graduated. What I've done with this is this piece is hooked over the edge of the container and then tacked in place with a dash of U-glue. U-glue is that pre-cured adhesive. I've just taken that, put the dash of U-glue right on the container and then pressed the aluminum wire into it. The same thing with this on the vase. I've cleaned the surface of the glass with rubbing alcohol, and then I've attached one dash of U-glue here. This one is just free floating on the edge of the container, but then I've pressed this circle spiral of wire right into the glass. So very simple, easy technique that you can create these perfect spirals with the aluminum wire. Again, I'm Lo-Ann Burke for Smithers Oasis and the Idea Channel.